Day 1. Kickstart with hydration. Begin your journey by drinking at least 8 glasses of water today. Staying well hydrated can suppress appetite and boost metabolism, making it a great first step. For exercise, go on a brisk 20-minute walk to wake up your body and start burning calories. Remember, focus on consistency and healthy pace. Aim to lose about 1 to 2 pounds per week, which is the quickest safe rate, and trust the process. Day 2. Power up with breakfast. Eat a high-protein breakfast, eggs, Greek yogurt, or oatmeal with nuts, to fuel your day and curb mid-morning hunger. Protein-rich mornings can reduce cravings and calorie intake later in the day. Today's workout is a simple 15-minute home circuit. Try 3 rounds of 10 squats, 10 knee push-ups, and 20 jumping jacks. Rest as needed. Motivation. You're fueling your body for success. Stay mindful of hunger cues and energy levels. Day 3. Step up your activity. Make movement your goal. Take a longer 25-minute walk or add an extra 1,000 steps throughout the day. Skip the elevator, take the stairs. Swap any one junk snack with a piece of fruit or a handful of nuts to cut empty calories. For your workout, you can also try light cardio intervals. Walk briskly for 2 minutes, then slow for 1 minute. Repeat for 20 minutes. Keep in mind, every extra step counts towards a healthier you, and small changes add up over time. Day 4. Recover and stretch. Rest day. Recovery is just as important as workouts. Focus on nutrition by filling half your plate with vegetables at meals to boost fiber and fullness. Do some gentle stretching or yoga for 15 minutes to relieve muscle tension and improve flexibility. Motivation. Resting today helps your body repair and get stronger, so you can hit tomorrow with more energy. Taking breaks isn't lazy, it's part of progress. Day 5. Strength foundation. Include lean protein in each meal, chicken, fish, beans, or tofu, to help build muscle and keep you full. Today's workout is a beginner strength circuit. 3 sets of 10 body weight squats, 10 lunges, each leg, and 15-second planks. Strength training not only tones your body, but also increases metabolism, so you burn more calories at rest. Remember, building muscle now will turn you into a fat-burning machine. Keep pushing through those reps. Day 6. Cardio boost. Ditch sugary drinks today. Replace soda or sweet tea with water or green tea. Choosing water over a 20-ounce soda saves about 250 calories. For exercise, try a 30-minute cardio session, a brisk walk or light jog, or an at-home cardio video. If you're at the gym, you could use a treadmill or bike. Motivation. Hydrate and get that heart rate up. Feel the endorphins and energy from a good cardio burn. You're proving your commitment with every drop of sweat. Day 7. Reflect and recharge. Rest day. You've completed your first week. Treat yourself to a relaxing activity like a leisurely walk, gentle yoga, or simply sleeping in a bit. Practice mindful eating today. Slow down and really savor your meals, noticing flavors and fullness. Eating slowly helps your brain catch up with your stomach, preventing overeating. Motivation. Take time to acknowledge your progress. 1 week down. Small victories, like better mood or more energy, are worth celebrating. Get ready for week 2 stronger than before. Day 8. Renewed intensity. Welcome to week 2. Increase the challenge slightly. If you walked before, try adding a few short jog intervals. If you did 15 minutes of exercise, bump it to 20. In your diet, add an extra serving of veggies or a piece of fruit to one meal. Nourish your body with high fiber, high vitamin foods. Today's workout. A 20-minute interval cardio, e.g., alternate 1-minute jog or fast walk with 2 minutes normal pace. Motivation. You're getting stronger and more energetic. Embrace the grind. This is where you start seeing and feeling real changes. Day 9. Core and whole grains. Focus on your core today with a few planks, 3 sets of 20 seconds, and exercises like bird dogs or dead bugs to strengthen abs and back. Make a simple diet swap. Choose whole grains, brown rice, whole wheat bread, instead of refined grains. Whole grains are higher in fiber and help with weight loss more than refined grains. Take a 20-minute walk to stay active if you have extra energy. Motivation. A strong core improves your posture and workout performance. You're building a solid foundation, both in fitness and nutrition, for the weeks ahead. Day 10. Active Lifestyle Challenge. Integrate activity into your day. Aim to hit a step count goal, e.g., 10,000 steps, by parking farther away, taking walking breaks, or doing a 5-minute mini walk every hour. Diet tip: no sugary snacks today. If a sweet craving hits, grab fruit or a small piece of dark chocolate. For exercise, try a fun 25-minute activity of your choice. Dancing to your favorite songs, biking, or swimming. Anything to get you moving and enjoying it. Motivation: make movement fun. By turning everyday activities into exercise, you're creating habits that last. Enjoy the process. A healthy lifestyle should be enjoyable, not a chore. Day 11. Flexibility and stress relief. Take a lighter day to focus on flexibility and mental well-being. Diet focus. Cut off caffeine after lunch and have a calming herbal tea in the evening. This will help with sleep and recovery. Do a 15 to 20-minute yoga or stretching routine. There are plenty of beginner videos available to improve your flexibility and relax your muscles. Motivation: lowering stress is key for weight loss too. High stress can lead to cravings. Breathe deeply, stretch it out, and remind yourself that recovery days like this restore both body and mind. Day 12. Strength progression. Fuel up with protein and veggies in your meals today. For example, a lunch of grilled chicken salad or a tofu stir-fry with mixed vegetables. For your workout, repeat the strength circuit from day 5, but add one extra set or a few extra reps if you can. If you have access, consider using light dumbbells or resistance bands to challenge your muscles further. You're likely feeling stronger, so push a bit more with good form. Motivation: every rep is making you stronger and more toned. Feel the difference from day 1. Keep that momentum. You're transforming your body step by step. Day 13. Try a short high-intensity interval training session today for an efficient calorie burn. For example, do 20 seconds of jumping jacks or high knees, then 40 seconds of rest, and repeat for 10 rounds. You can do this in just 10 minutes. Be sure to warm up first. On the food front, practice portion control. Use a smaller plate for dinner and stop eating when you're about 80% full. HIIT will rev up your metabolism, and eating mindfully prevents overeating. Motivation: HIIT is tough but effective, and it reminds you how far your fitness has come. Embrace the challenge and be proud of pushing your limits. Day 14. Rest and prep. Rest day. You've nearly completed 2 weeks. Use today to prepare for next week. Plan some healthy meals or grocery shopping to set yourself up for success. Gentle movement is fine. Maybe a casual stroll or some stretching, but let your body recuperate. Motivation: rest days are not wasted days. They're when your muscles repair and grow stronger. Enjoy a little downtime and reflect on how routines like hydration, healthier eating, and regular exercise are becoming easier. You're halfway to making them lifelong habits. Day 15. Halfway hustle. You're at the midway point. Awesome job. Today, challenge yourself with a mixed workout. A 25-minute circuit alternating 3 minutes of cardio, brisk walking, jogging, or jump rope, with 1 minute of strength exercises, squats, push-ups, or lunges. This keeps your heart rate up while building muscle. Nutrition tip: try a new healthy recipe today, perhaps a lean protein and veggie-packed stir-fry or salad. To keep things interesting and prove healthy eating can be delicious. Motivation: halfway there. Take a moment to acknowledge your progress. Maybe your clothes fit looser or you have more stamina. Use that progress as fuel to give the second half your all. Day 16. Mindful eating mastery. Make today about mindfulness. For diet, commit to eating without distractions, no TV or phone, and chew slowly. Savor each bite and listen for your body's signals of fullness. This can prevent overeating. For your workout, go for a 30-minute brisk walk or light jog, using this time to clear your mind or even practice mindful breathing. Motivation: connecting mind and body is powerful. By eating and exercising mindfully, you're not just losing weight. You're learning to truly enjoy a healthier life. Every mindful choice is a win. Day 17. Protein and power. Prioritize protein today. Include a quality protein source in every meal. Eggs or yogurt at breakfast, beans or chicken at lunch, fish or tofu at dinner. High-protein diets improve satiety and help decrease body fat, supporting your weight loss. Your workout is strength-focused. Do a full-body routine, e.g., 3 sets of 12 squats, 12 push-ups, incline or on knees if needed, and 12 dumbbell or water bottle rows per arm. If you've been using just body weight, try adding a bit of resistance, hold bottles, or use bands to challenge yourself. Motivation, you're fueling your muscles, and they're paying you back by burning more calories all day. Feel that strength and confidence. You're far stronger than you were 2 weeks ago. Day 18, hydration check-in. Time to revisit hydration. Aim again for those 8+ glasses of water throughout the day. Consider drinking a glass before each meal to help control appetite. Sometimes thirst masks as hunger. Diet-wise, also try adding an extra cup of vegetables to one of your meals for volume and nutrients. For exercise, try something new or different. Maybe a bike ride, a swim, or an aerobics class/video for 30 minutes to keep things fresh. Motivation, water, and variety are your friends. By keeping your routine from getting stale, whether it's what you drink, eat, or how you move, you stay engaged and motivated. Keep your eyes on the prize. You're well past the halfway mark. Day 19, endurance boost. Focus on endurance today. Plan for a slightly longer cardio session, about 35 to 40 minutes of continuous activity. This could be a brisk walk that's longer than you've done before, a bike ride, or a light jog if you're up to it. Eat a hearty, healthy breakfast for energy with protein and fiber, like scrambled eggs with veggies or oatmeal with berries and nuts. This will give you sustained fuel. Motivation, pushing your endurance shows how much your fitness has improved. Recall when a short walk left you winded. Not anymore. Every extra minute you keep moving is proof of your progress. Day 20, healthy fats and fun workout. Don't fear healthy fats. Include a source of healthy fat in your meals today, such as avocado, olive oil, or almonds, which help with satiety and nutrition. For example, a spinach salad with avocado and grilled chicken makes a great balanced meal. Today, pick a fun workout or sport. Try shooting hoops, playing a sport with friends, or a dance workout video. Something enjoyable for about 25 to 30 minutes. Motivation, healthy living isn't about restriction, it's about balance. Enjoy the richness of healthy fats in your diet and the joy of moving your body in ways you love. This is how you make habits sustainable and fun. Day 21, rest and sleep. Rest day, focus on quality sleep and recovery. Take the day off from intense exercise. At most, do a bit of stretching or an easy walk to loosen up. In the evening, practice good sleep hygiene. Dim the lights, no screens before bed, and aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Sufficient sleep helps regulate hunger hormones. Poor sleep can increase appetite, so this is critical for weight loss too. Motivation, you're not just losing weight, you're improving your overall health. A good night's sleep will make you feel refreshed and ready to crush the final week. You've earned this rest. Day 22, final week kickoff. High intensity. It's the last stretch, so let's turn it up a notch within your limits. Today, try a more intense workout. For example, a 20-minute HIIT session mixing cardio and strength. You could do 30 seconds of fast-paced exercise, like burpees or fast jogging in place. Then 30 seconds rest, repeating for 15 to 20 minutes. Alternatively, if you prefer steady cardio, push for your fast distance on the bike for 20 minutes. Eat clean and green today. Make veggies the star of your meals and keep proteins lean. Motivation, 1 week to go. Give it your all. Imagine the finish line and how proud you'll feel. Your body can handle more than it could on day 1, so challenge it safely and see the difference. Day 23, strength peak. Focus on strength and toning. Increase intensity in strength exercises. If you have access to weights, use them. If not, use slower tempo or more reps. For example, 3 sets of 8 to 10 lunges per leg with weights, 3 sets of 8 to 10 push-ups, or chest presses with dumbbells, and 3 sets of 10 dumbbell rows. Ensure you're fueling this effort. Eat a protein-rich meal after your workout to aid muscle recovery, a protein shake, or cottage cheese with fruit, etc. Strength training not only builds muscle but also elevates your metabolism for hours after. Motivation. Think back to those day 5 exercises. Today you're lifting heavier or doing more. That's real progress. Feel empowered by your strength gains. You are sculpting a healthier, stronger you. Day 24. Active recovery and outlook. You've been pushing hard, so take an active recovery day. Go for a relaxed bike ride, swim, or walk with a friend. Something active but refreshing, not exhausting. As for diet, reflect on your nutrition habits. Today, try to eat clean, whole foods only, lean meats, veggies, fruits, whole grains, nuts, and avoid anything highly processed. Your taste buds might already prefer these healthier options now. Motivation. Use today to appreciate how far you've come in your eating and fitness habits. Maybe junk food cravings are down and energy is up. Visualize life after day 30. These habits can continue, and this isn't just a 30-day fix, it's a kickstart to a new you. Day 25, Core Challenge. Refocus on the core for stability and injury prevention. Do a core circuit. 3 rounds of 30-second planks, 15 crunches, and 10 Superman back extensions. For diet, ensure you're getting plenty of fiber today. Aim for at least 25 to 30 grams. Think lots of veggies, fruits, and perhaps kais or flax in a smoothie. High-fiber foods keep you full and support weight loss. If possible, also take a short 15-minute walk to stay active. Motivation. A strong core makes everything easier, from workouts to daily life. You're strengthening your midsection and your resolve. Stay focused. Only a few days left and you're finishing stronger than you started. Day 26. No Junk Challenge. With only a few days left, let's eliminate junk food entirely today. No candy, soda, fried snacks. Give your body clean fuel only. Load up on protein, veggies, fruits, and water. Notice how your body feels when you feed it right. For exercise, do 30 minutes of your favorite cardio at a moderate pace. A jog, elliptical, dance aerobics. Anything to get your heart pumping and that calorie burn steady. Motivation. Think of today as a detox for body and mind, flushing out old habits and reinforcing new, healthy ones. You have the discipline to say no to short-term temptations because your long-term goals matter more. One day of strictness can show you how much control you've gained. Day 27, Mobility and Mindset. We're nearing the end, so today focus on mobility and mental resilience. Do a 20-minute session of dynamic stretches or a mobility routine, for example, hip openers, shoulder rolls, ankle rotations, etc., to keep your body limber. Eat balanced meals and reflect on which new eating habits you'll carry forward, perhaps drinking water instead of soda or meal prepping veggies. Motivation. Your mindset has evolved over 27 days. You've proven you can stick to a plan. Take pride in your discipline. Use today as a mental reset, reaffirming your commitment to a healthy lifestyle beyond this 30-day mark. Day 28, Rest and Visualization. Rest day, your final rest before the big finish. Take it easy, do light stretching, and make sure you're hydrated and well-nourished with wholesome foods. Spend a few minutes visualizing your workout tomorrow and the completion of this challenge. See yourself succeeding. Motivation. The body follows where the mind leads. By visualizing success, you're priming yourself to achieve it. Enjoy how far you've come. Tomorrow you give it your all, and then you celebrate. Day 29, Final Push. It's the second to last day. Time for one more big effort. Tackle a full-body workout that combines everything. For example, 5 rounds of 1 minute of cardio, fast feet in place or jogging, 1 minute of strength, and 30 seconds of core, plank, or mountain climbers. Take breaks as needed, but challenge yourself to complete it. You've built up to this. Eat light, nutritious meals, lean protein, lots of vegetables, and complex carbs for energy, like quinoa or sweet potato. Motivation. This is what you've been training for. Push harder than you have before, safely. Think of how proud you'll be when you finish day 30. One more day, you've got this. Day 30. Celebrate your victory. Final day. Do a workout that makes you happy. Maybe a mix of your favorite exercises from the past month or a victory lap walk/run to reflect on your journey. Go hard if you can, but most importantly, enjoy it. For diet, eat healthy, but celebrate. Perhaps cook your favorite nutritious meal or treat yourself to a delicious healthy smoothie. You've achieved fast, healthy weight loss by building sustainable habits over 30 days. Motivation. Take a moment to appreciate your accomplishment and how much stronger, fitter, and more confident you feel. The end of this 30-day plan is just the beginning of a healthier life. Congratulations on your transformation. Now keep these habits rolling forward.